And Akhilesh Yadav has also hinted that Rahul Gandhi could be contesting from Amethi. In fact, he was speaking to journalists after he filed his nomination earlier, and he says that Uttar Pradesh will be witnessing an interesting battle. He says, quote unquote, महफिल यहीं जमेगी.
आप तो आ गए हैं कन्नौज में, आपके दोस्त भी अमेठी से आने वाले हैं।
अरे सब आएंगे अब तो महफिल यूपी में ही सही नहीं, और इसलिए भी कि देखो ना बीजेपी वालों की भाषा क्या है। ये भाषा इसलिए है क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने कारोबारियों की मदद की। जब से इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड की बात आई है, बीजेपी का बैंड बज गया। इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड आने के बाद क्या इनका बैंड नहीं बज गया? इन्होंने अपने कारोबारियों की मदद की।
We also have Namika, who is joining us live to get you more insight into this entire story. You know, Namika, for a long time now, there has been this conversation that both Rahul and Priyanka are not very willing to, take up that huge fight, and that's why they did not lead from the front. But I think Akhilesh's problems are far more complicated. At one point, they started with the Uttar Pradesh ke ladke to, they've come down to this. Many say that this is an alliance of survival, both for the Congress and for the SP, particularly in Uttar Pradesh, that has 80 Lok Sabha seats.
Well, absolutely, as this is not just a contest for survival, but also what the Congress party is saying, it's an ideological battle, as that's the reason why all of these India bloc parties have come together. And if we talk about Rahul Gandhi in particular, then now the narrative has been changed, because we have seen that how the Congress party is continuously making preparations for in the Amethi constituency. We have also got the information from our sources that there is going to be a meeting on 28th of April in which the leaders from the Amethi constituency are going to arrive here in the national capital. They are also expected to meet Rahul Gandhi in the national capital before a formal announcement will be made by the party high command regarding the candidature from the Amethi constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. And that's the reason why there is a door-to-door campaign which has already been started by the leaders and the workers of the Congress party in the Amethi constituency. On one side, we have seen that how a suspense has been maintained. There is no clarity which has been given by the Congress party for the seats of Amethi and Rai Bareli. But now clearly indications are coming in. Many of the senior leaders are also saying that the Congress party has given this proposal to the Gandhi family for Rahul Gandhi from Amethi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Rai Bareli, and that's the reason why the Congress party is all set. They are making preparations for the Amethi and the Rai Bareli constituency, and we can expect that as soon as the voting is going to be ended in the second phase, after which from Wayanad Rahul Gandhi is going to be free, there can be a formal announcement which will be made by the Congress party regarding these two crucial seats of the state of Uttar Pradesh.